We call that the 5. Same thing. Put that weight right here. So the power is going to be generated from the lower body and coming up, pop, 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 but staying defensively responsible. And your objective is, with me holding the mitt, throw a straight right hand. You'll see a lot of this. You'll see a lot of this. Coaches popping the glove. Well, a lot of instances, some people think that that's not a great thing, and it's not. When you're developing a fighter's punch logistics, allow him to create the power. Now, just say, for instance, if he had bad mechanics, just throw a bad punch. If you throw a bad punch, he can never build up confidence. So what a coach's job is to do is to make sure he builds up confidence. So you let him know what it's supposed to feel like, and you give him a little kickback. That's a good way to utilize your mitts and giving the guy a better self-esteem.
There's nothing more gratifying than being able to teach the sweet science of boxing. Now, I've been coaching for over 30 years, and my largest takeaway from that has been the process in which I've had to learn, which is these manuals. They simplified my life because not only do I teach the fundamentals of boxing, but I also go into a very high and in-depth, sweet science of the higher levels of boxing, the postures and all of those things. I know all of you have that vision of taking what you're doing and being able to catapult it level after level. Having these manuals totally takes all of the stress and the guesswork out of your life. The thing about it is I know what it's done for me over my career. But what do you think having this kind of power in your hands could do for you in your career? Because if you're in a position that you're ready to jump right in with both feet, that's great. Because the School of Boxing will welcome that. Because if you want to fix these situations, this is the place that you get all of the criteria and the material that's necessary to follow that yellow brick road to success. And if you're not, take your bite size and chomp your way until you get to the top. But always remember this, all of us coaches follow this same process. And I will say, having this, it's a game changer. School of Boxing is the answer. Don't put that stress on yourself. Make your life easier. Enroll now and let it change the direction in which your career is going. It's your time. So long. Register now.